Science facts that sound fake but are 100% true. Octopuses have 3 hearts, blue blood, and arms that can think on their own. And that's just the beginning. Here are science facts that sound completely fake but are 100% true. 1. Your brain can eat itself. If your brain doesn't get enough energy, it will start eating itself. This process is called autophagy. Your brain cells break down their own parts to survive. It's not science fiction. It's biology. This can happen during extreme starvation or severe sleep deprivation. Your brain is literally sacrificing pieces of itself to keep you alive. 2. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. Astronomers estimate the Milky Way has about 100 to 400 billion stars. Scientists discovered Earth has over 3 trillion trees. That's nearly 10 times more trees than stars. Next time you look at the night sky, remember, Earth might be more crowded than space. 3. Humans glow in the dark, but you can't see it. Your body actually emits light. It's caused by biochemical reactions inside your cells. The glow is produced when molecules release photons during metabolic processes. The reason you can't see it is because the light is extremely weak and human eyes aren't sensitive enough. But with special cameras, humans literally glow. 4. Bananas are radioactive. Bananas contain potassium, and potassium naturally includes a radioactive isotope. That means every banana is slightly radioactive. You could technically set off radiation detectors by transporting enough bananas. Scientists even use something called the banana equivalent dose to explain radiation exposure. Yes, bananas are radioactive fruit. 5. Time moves faster at your head than your feet. Thanks to Einstein's theory of relativity, time moves at different speeds depending on gravity. Your feet experience slightly more gravity than your head. That means time moves a tiny bit slower at your feet. Over your lifetime, your head ages slightly faster than your toes. It's only nanoseconds, but it's real. 6. You are never actually touching anything. When you touch an object, your atoms never physically touch its atoms. They repel each other due to electromagnetic forces. What you feel as touch is actually the force of atoms pushing back. So technically, you've never touched anything in your entire life. 7. Sharks are older than trees. Sharks existed over 400 million years ago. Trees appeared around 350 million years ago. That means sharks were swimming the oceans before trees even existed. Sharks survived multiple mass extinctions, including the one that killed the dinosaurs. They are living prehistoric machines. 8. There's a species of jellyfish that can live forever. The jellyfish Turritopsis dohrnii is biologically immortal. When injured or old, it can revert back to its baby form. Then it grows up again. This cycle can repeat endlessly under the right conditions. It doesn't die of old age. Immortal though, but very small. 9. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. At a specific pressure and temperature, water can exist as a solid, liquid, and gas simultaneously. This is called the triple point. Ice, liquid water, and water vapor all at once. It looks like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's a fundamental rule of physics. 10. You share DNA with bananas. About 60% of your DNA is similar to a banana's DNA. This doesn't mean you're half banana. It means many basic cellular functions are shared across life. Every living thing on Earth is more related than we think. Yes, you're genetically closer to fruit than you'd expect. 11. Your stomach gets a new lining. Every few days, your stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve metal. If your stomach lining didn't regenerate, you'd digest yourself. So your body replaces the stomach lining every 3 to 4 days. You're constantly rebuilding yourself from the inside. 12. There are more possible games of chess than atoms in the universe. The number of possible chess games is called Shannon's number. It's approximately 1 in 1 all. 20. That's more than the estimated number of atoms in the observable universe. Chess isn't just a game. It's mathematically infinite. 13. Plants can hear. Caterpillars chewing. Plants can detect vibrations from insects chewing on their leaves. When they hear caterpillars, they release chemical defenses. Some even send warning signals to nearby plants. Plants can't scream, but they can listen. 14. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Venus takes 243 Earth days to rotate once. But it only takes 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. That means a single day on Venus is longer than an entire year. Sunrise to sunset takes longer than going around the Sun. 15. Your body has enough DNA to reach the Sun and back. Hundreds of times. If you unraveled all the DNA in your body, it would stretch over 10 billion miles. That's enough to reach the Sun and back over 300 times. All of that information fits inside you right now. 16. There's a taste receptor in your lungs. Your lungs contain taste receptors similar to your tongue. They don't taste food. They detect harmful substances and trigger defensive reactions. Your lungs can taste danger. 17. The universe has no center. The universe doesn't expand from a central point. It expands everywhere at once. Every location appears to be the center from its own perspective. There is no middle, no edge, just expansion. 18. You are mostly empty space. Atoms are over 99.99% empty space. If you remove the empty space from every atom in your body, you'd be smaller than a grain of sand, yet still weigh the same. Matter is mostly nothing. 19. Wombats produce cube-shaped poop. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. This prevents it from rolling away and helps mark territory. No other animal does this. Nature is weirdly precise. 20. The past, present, and future may exist at the same time. Some interpretations of physics suggest time isn't flowing. Instead, all moments exist simultaneously. Past, present, future. We just experience one slice at a time, meaning the future might already exist. The universe is stranger than anything humans could invent. And every day, science proves reality is more unbelievable than fiction. If these facts blew your mind, just remember, we've only scratched the surface.